Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my winter shopping for my room decor. Now, I do have my fall decor up still. It's just the beginning of November. I'm decorating super early, but Five Below already has their Christmas stuff out and it's so cute and I'm so excited because Christmas is definitely my favorite holiday, like, ever. I know I mentioned fall was my favorite season, but I don't like the cold, so winter's not my favorite season, but Halloween isn't my favorite holiday, so I didn't really go all out for my fall decor. I just kind of put like a little leaves here and there and pumpkins and stuff, but for winter I'm gonna be really decorating my room really nice because I feel like I can get more use out of the decor since it's like cold 70% of the year in Pennsylvania. So I'm at Five Below right now. We're gonna go ahead in and see what we can find. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna put stockings in my room for me and Darian. I don't know if I'm gonna do like the plaid or they have fuzzy ones. I'm gonna get a stocking for me and Darian. Oh my god, a cute little pet costume. These pajama pants, like plush ones, and they're Christmas. Oh my gosh. I know, I literally have those. I have like 3 other pairs from here and I love these. These are so cute. Little mini trees are really cute. If they had like silver, not green decor, I would totally get one and decorate one. If I find one somewhere else, I'm definitely gonna come back and get all the accessories. They have a tree skirt, like a topper, lights. Five Below was a success. We're now at Burlington and they always have the best stuff here. Definitely a better selection of trees here. I'm gonna get this one. That tree is really pretty, but I have like a little bit too much silver stuff, so I'm gonna get this tree. I need something to put the pine cones that I got in, so this would be cute, but I feel like this is like a centerpiece for like a dining room table, not like a bedroom. We'll just keep looking around. They don't have like the biggest selection. They're not done like decorating yet. Only getting 2 things from Burlington. I'll give you guys a haul of everything when we get back. Now at Target, they have trees here as well. These are a little bit skinnier and that one has like snow on it. It's perfect. Me and Darren are looking to get matching onesies for this holiday season. And we might vlog Christmas as well. Look at how cute.
Hold on, a mannequin. Probably a mannequin.
Darren, you don't say that out loud. We're passing this guy so loud. I thought you were a mannequin. I already bought a plaid onesie from Pink. It has bling on the side. It's so cute. So I don't need a onesie. But you said you want one that covers your feet? Mm-hmm. Mine doesn't cover the feet. I don't want it to. Yeah, are we even in here for anything else? I don't even think they have a Christmas section. Oh, the back is where they have the seasonal stuff. I totally forgot. I don't know if they switched it from Halloween yet though. They still have their Halloween stuff out. Oh, there's some Christmas. Not a lot, it's like empty. When I have my own house, my wrapping paper is gonna be the cutest wrapping paper ever. Okay, I think this is just like wrapping and gift stuff because it's all paper and bows. As far as like room decor, I don't think they have any. Yeah, that's it. I'm actually gonna be filling me and Darian's stockings. They're gonna be hanging up in my room and I'm gonna like buy little stuff here and there and put it in there and then open it on Christmas. It's literally busy out like it's a holiday. Oh, it is. Halloween, duh. I thought these people were out shopping for Christmas too. And I know Kohl's has their gift sets out already. Literally my favorite part is shopping for Christmas. Like not even, like yeah, opening my gifts is exciting, but like I love shopping like so much, especially all the Christmas stuff because there's like certain sets out and like good deals. I'm gonna vlog Black Friday again. Remember we did that last year? Yeah. I'll link that video down below. It was really,
He has a Jeep.
Dang, he went all up on the curb. He said, I'm not trying to wait in this traffic. I don't know. Oh, whoa.
What the?
People are driving nuts today. Geez, you'll get your pumpkins. We're definitely gonna go to Hobby Lobby. I totally forgot that store was even over here. We're gonna go there first. They have Christmas stuff up all year round, I'm pretty sure, so This would be an interesting trip. This is also definitely the place to find like little sets of ornaments for my tree. This is perfect. Aww, a cute star for the top of the tree. I would get this, but I don't think the tree is like full enough for that. It's just like a skinny branch on the top. Oh my gosh. Do you like this better? It's like the Christmas rather than just like the red one. I do want color in my room, like a little bit at least, but I found this really cute tree skirt and I feel like it just will look better under the tree. I also just found out everything is 50% off. I wish I would have known that, or else I wouldn't have bought my tree at Burlington, but they have such cute stuff. Well, now that I know everything is 50% off, I'm gonna go back. I saw this really cute like garland. It had like a jingle ball and puffballs on it. Super cute, but it was kind of expensive, so with 50% off. That's gonna either go over my bed or above my curtains. I always have like some type of garland there, like whether it's a string of leaves for fall or like jingle bells for Christmas. You need like a mini. Oh, that's perfect. Oh wait, I want like a skinny wire though.
I want Richard.
We can get Richard. Ooh. No, I don't want colorful lights. I don't like the colored ones. I want just like plain, like this, but not on that green wire. I want it to be on like that thin wire. These aren't doing the try me, but I'm gonna trust that it works because this says it's warm white. All the other ones say that it's colorful right here. Found the Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, this is literally adorable. So like a nutcracker, but a bear. Oh wow, they got trees here. Look at these. We didn't get any decor in Kohl's. They had like kind of a small selection, but we got kind of enough at the other stores. I was just kind of looking to see if we found anything else that I liked better. I do have some old decorations from last year's like setup, so I might use some of that as well. So I don't want to like, you know, just clutter with decor just to clutter. So I went over by the makeup for a little bit after looking at the gift sets right in front. That's when I was showing you guys the clearance, and he said he got something. Literally in the front of the store they had Ariana Grande perfumes. You got both?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he got the Thank You Next perfume and the Sweet Lake candy. Thank you. Oh my god. We are back from shopping. It's a little bit later. We stopped at Richard's for a nice date night. There's a stain on my shirt. We're first gonna do everything I got at Five Below. This ring light is way too high. Literally doing a Christmas haul with my Halloween decor in the back. I got this silver like glittery tree. It's bendable. I need to like bend it in shape. It's kind of like wonky right now, but it's really nice, and it was only what, $3? It was $3. I also got this silver garland. Now I bought this before I knew that I got that other thing at Hobby Lobby, so don't know where I'm gonna put this or if I'm gonna even use it at all. I bought headbands and glitter is literally all over them. I don't know if you can see, but I bought a gray and a black one. I bought these two pillows. This one says cozy on the front with plaid on the back. This literally matches my comforter exact. Both of them were $5, and then a plain white. I also got some reindeer pajama pants. I'm obsessed with these. I love plush PJs. I then got two stockings, one for me, one for Darian. He's gonna be the red one, and I'm gonna be the black and white plaid. And then from Burlington, we got this Christmas tree that has snow on it. I'm obsessed with this. It's so cute. It's perfectly sized too. Like, it's kind of big. It was only $8 for this. At Hobby Lobby, I got these mini ornaments. Only $5. Then I got this garland that has white puffballs with jingle bells on it, and this was $15, but again, 50% off. I got this tree skirt. I ended up going with the white with like silver sequin snowflakes, just because I feel like it's gonna fit the theme best. But I got this plaid red Noel sign. It was only $3. And then a cute little mini stocking for my cat to hang with ours. And then those string lights. I'm gonna have to see if these work. And also from Burlington, I got this white cross that says blessed on the front. I'm gonna probably use this as all year round decor, not just Christmas. I really like it. It was $5. And yeah, that was all that I bought. If you guys want to see where I end up putting it and how I decorate, definitely be sure to check out the video when it's up. Again, will be linked down below. But that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you guys decorate for the seasons. Let me know. I just started doing it like ever since I started YouTube, so yeah, let me know. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, I hope I will see you guys in my decorating video, and I will see you guys then. Bye!